What up YouTube world? Welcome back to the channel. I'm off on another little journey today. As you can see, I'm about to hit the motorway. Nah, I'm not really. I'm not allowed in it. Rules and regulations of having a CBT, you can't hit the M-way. But where I am going is, don't know if the GoPro picks it up, but Walsall, 834. There's a motorbike shop in Walsall that I want to go to. So I thought, why not bring you guys along with me, see what they've got to offer. I actually want to get something. I'm not going to say what it is, keep that a little surprise, but I want to go there and see what they've got, if they've got it, and then get it installed on a bike. It's a bit mad, the sun's out, it's chilly as f***, so it's a bit confusing. The sun's just come out as I've started the recording as well, so if that's not a good sign, I don't know what is. Now I've got the Ruroc helmet on, 3.0. I've got my phone connected to it. I've got music playing while I'm talking to you. So if you hear me rapping or singing, then yeah, that's why. I'm doing 35 and it's a 30 and there's speed cameras everywhere here, so I need to relax.
Stop it. Get some help.
6th gear, 28 miles an hour. Anyone behind me? No. And there goes the traffic. See if we can try and squeeze through this, which I don't think we will be able to. I'm just praying it don't rain, keep a little gap. Great, I've just noticed my clock is 1 hour behind. Seeing as we've changed time zones, I'm going to go ahead and say the obligatory things, because I never say them. I never say them. Go ahead, like, comment, share and subscribe, all of that good stuff. It's free, it don't cost nothing, and I appreciate it. What we're going to do now is, this gets me gassed every single time I do it, and it won't ever stop. Oh, well that's clever, isn't it? What a chub. Not a fan of them. So we're going to get in front. If anyone's in Warsaw and you know this shop, then yeah, you know the shop, innit? But if you're not from Warsaw, I'm gonna take you there, providing they're open. They should be open. It's Saturday. And what don't help is I'm actually in the wrong lane. don't even know how I'm gonna get there. There's roadworks everywhere, they've redirected everything. So, welcome to Warsaw. Yeah, ain't no one staying in that hotel. Sorry, I'm not waiting behind the bus. Oh no. Absolute pence. Oh, you can't even go down there, can you? What the heck type of BS is this? Well, this is not going very well, is it? It's just there, I've had to drive past it. F***ing roadworks. I believe we need to take a left here. See where we end up. Well, never been through here before. Oh, I've been there, yeah, definitely. Yeah, we're gonna go this way. Where the hell are they? Have I f***ing drove past it? I think I've rode past it. That's not very good. I'm sure it's down here. Oh, they're gone. Yeah, I believe they've gone. Well, that's a complete failure because they've closed up shop and now they've disappeared. So good, yeah? He's intrigued and confused all in one go. So, absolute waste of time. Well, the local motorbike shop in Warsaw is no longer. Might as well just go for a ride now. Is it just me, or for my other motorbike people, when you're going for a ride, sometimes I just go to clear my head, empty the brain out, can't drink, can't smoke, go for a ride instead. Well, you can drink and you can smoke, but not while you're riding. So, is it me or does it help anybody else out as well? Go out for a ride by yourself, clear your thoughts, clear your mind, forget everything, and you're just in this present moment. Let me know in the comment section down below. I know it's a bit of a deeper one. It's deep, but you don't need armbands for it, so it's not that deep. What a trap. It's alright, it's not too bad. Vlogging while having the music on from the Shockwave. And what we'll do is we'll come to here. riding around, bopping my head to the music. I just want to know what it looks like from the outside. I must look like a lunatic. Oh shit then. That was a familiar face. He wouldn't even recognize me anyway. So apart from J&S, the big store that we all know, if anybody knows of any local motorbike stores in Warsaw, make sure you drop me a comment in the comment section down below and get some stuff done to this bad boy. Well, this is fucking boring, isn't it? Let's see what this looks like on camera. Obviously the jacket's not exactly a motorbike jacket, but you have to let that one slide this time.
Eventually.
Gonna wait here. Oh, it's open now, yeah? Okay. We got the Federale in front. There's another one coming this way. Act normal. Don't make no eye contact. Have I got any money on me? Don't think I have. I'll have to come back in the car and get a few bits. The trip to the motorbike shop was a fail. I come out the house with no money on me, so that's a fail. Now I need to go home, get some money and come back to the shop. So, peace out. Catch you on the next one.